Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 4LT in blade silver metallic on black interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area here. So this one actually has two tops. It's got the dual roof, so it's got a glass top as well as the solid color that we can see here. I'll just pull this up here for a moment. As you can see, there's lots of space to still store some items with the top removed. We've got the net for holding your items in place, and then down below we've got storage here, and as well as another storage compartment on this side too. So that's great, that's there. And we'll close that up. It's got the privacy screen here, so if you have some items in the trunk, that will screen them. And we'll go ahead, we'll close this. We'll have a look from the back. So it's got the nice circular taillights, lower reverse lights in the lower part of the bumper, and we've got an upgraded Corsa exhaust. So we'll just move around this side here. Here's your rear wheel, so nice chrome rim, gray painted factory calipers, and Michelin tires with cross-drilled rotors. Over at the passenger side, we've got the 4LT, so it's got the upgraded with the leather. So it's got leather here and here, as well as the deviated stitching. We've got the electronic door release, power windows, power locks, and a 7-speaker Bose stereo. Here's your kick plate on this side. It's in good shape, as you can see. And for the passenger seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice leather with Alcantara insert, and we've got the embroidered Corvette logo on the headrest as well. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So we do have the books, so that's great. The book is there for the 2012 Corvette, as well as the DVD. That's the case for the DVD for navigation. So that's perfect. We've got embroidered Corvette here on the dash, and a leather dash with the 4LT. So just have a look at that. Looks great. So we'll just hop out. We'll close this side up, and I'll just start at the back of the vehicle, and I'll scan down this side for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. We've got the nice vents here with the Grand Sport logo with the chrome. Looks good. And here's your other front wheels. So again, nice chrome wheels, gray painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors, and nice Michelin tires. Over here is your glass roof. So this was purchased by the previous owner, new. So it's maybe a couple of years old. So it's in really good shape, as you can see. And we'll just move back over here. So under the hood, we've got the V8 LS3, which is 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy, looks good. And then up top, we've got the embossed Corvette logo in the hood liner. So I'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. So I'll just scan along the front of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. So we've got the hide mount there for the license plate. There's a little bit of minor scuffing on the bottom piece here. We'll do our best to clean it up the best we can, but it is there. In terms of stone chips, there is one stone chip right here. And I'm just gonna have a look here and see if I can see anything else. That just wipes off. There's one little mark here and one little mark here. They may polish out, but they are there. And it looks like there's one, nope, nothing there. Perfect. So for headlights, we've got the nice HID projector headlights with clear lenses. And as you can see, the lenses are in great shape. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice chrome rims, gray painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Looks great. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power locks, we've got 2 user memory, we've got an exit button, we've got our power windows, power mirrors, electronic door release, 7-speaker Bose stereo, and nice deviated stitching along the leather door panel. So on the, we'll just have a look. Here's the kick plate. So it looks like it's lifting a little bit here. We'll see if we can reapply that, but I just wanted to point that out to you. For the power seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down. We've got lumbar and side bolster and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan the seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice baseball stitching with the Alcantara insert and the embroidered Corvette logo there. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. Sounds great. So the Corsa has a nice deep note to it. It's not too loud. You know, I imagine if you're getting into it a little bit, it will get a little bit louder, but it's got a nice growl to it. In terms of kilometers, we have 36,582. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. We do have heads-up display, so these are the controls here for the heads-up display. We'll see if you can see that there. So there's your speed displayed on the windshield. You've got cruise control, which is controlled right here. So this is your cruise. And then I'll go to this side. Here's your automatic headlights, fog light control. You've got paddle shifter, so this is plus, this is minus. Telephone and voice command controls, mute button or hang up. You've got volume controls here. You've got arrow keys for the radio, so track change, and favorite buttons for the radio. And then you can also do plus and minus on this side as well. You've got the nice Grand Sport logo on the steering wheel with chrome accents on it as well. So that looks great. Down below you've got a fuel door release as well as a trunk release. We've got manual tilt, and on this side we've got power telescopic steering wheel. There's your push button start, off, and ACC power. And then you've got the buttons here that control the information on the information center. So that's great. We've got the carbon fiber look, or actually carbon fiber dash insert here that goes along. Looks great. You've got AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, and auxiliary in for the radio, and then you've got full factory navigation. Down below we've got our dual zone climate control, so here's the driver and here's the passenger temperature, and you also have heated seats, so we've got 2 settings for the heated seats. There's your 6-speed automatic shifter, and you have selective ride control. So touring is going to give you a softer ride. If we put it in sport, it's going to make the suspension firmer and more responsive to handling. We've got traction control on and off, and then inside we've got a 12-volt socket, and in the back there's your USB and auxiliary line in. So that's great. So let's just hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Sounds great. And you have auto dimming driver's side mirror as well as rear view mirror. And we'll just have a look at the front with the headlights on. Fog lights are on, so we'll just zoom in there. And we'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Love that Corsa exhaust. Sounds great. And there you have it, folks. 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 4LT dual roof with chrome rims, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.